Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to join Zoom meeting app in Android. So all you have to do is, if you do have a link shared by your a boss or your college, it's very easy. Just copy the link, or you can tap on the link. You will be joined automatically. But if not, you can tap manually. Just tap join here. So you can join with personal link name and pass the meeting ID in here, and you can tap join. So it's very easy. If you receive an invitation link, tap on the link to join the meeting. So this is the brief information for you. So you can don't connect the audio. There is option in here and turn off my video. I recommend you to turn on and connect the audio before you join the meeting. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.